welcome to another technical video from AA Silencers and Matrix Ice. The vehicle just behind me is a 2021 model Audi Q5, and we've just retrofitted the genuine Audi towbar system to this vehicle. The reason we go genuine is that there is absolutely no warranty implication then whatsoever. This vehicle has got a whole raft of advanced driver assist systems on the vehicle, such as lane assist and autonomous city brake, that are absolutely critical that they know there's something attached to the tow bar. If you go non-genuine, this is a real risk you're going to take, so we do the job properly. So, you can clearly see now that there is absolutely nothing protruding below the bumper on this vehicle. The tow bar is completely hidden. If we just activate the tow bar, it swings down and it clicks up into place. That is as easy as pie. If we then go to put it away, press the button once again, stow it away again. Nobody would know that there's even a tow bar fitted to the vehicle. It is that discreet. And on the inside of the vehicle, there's your tow bar button. Illuminated so it can be seen at night, and very discreet, I'm sure, as you would imagine from Audi. Now if we just get a little bit closer in on the bar itself, you'll see that integrated on the side is your Euro standard 13-pin socket. So there's no external wiring whatsoever, all goes through the bar itself. Now when we get inside, you therefore have an additional piece here, so that when you put the vehicle into reverse, obviously knocks out the rear sensors, which shows your trailer is on as well. And if you also look at the screen, the camera has got a perfect view of the tow bar, so you can reverse straight up to your trailer, no problems whatsoever.